Okay, hi. I hope you're doing well. So in this video, I will try to show you how you can set up the script for your original spreadsheet, and also I will do a small demonstration of the app for you. Okay, so let's go. Okay, here is the copy of the template you shared with me. I will open it. Okay, as you can notice, nothing is functional for the moment. I will have to delete all of this. Okay, so I will go. What I will deliver to you is this folder, which is called deliverables, and it contains two files. The first one is just the instructions that we will be following in this small tutorial, and I will also share it with you if you want to read it while watching this small video. And the second file is the script file, which contains the code that you'll have to copy and paste in the code in the app script editor. So we will come to that step. So I will follow the instruction file. So what we need to do first is to open the spreadsheet, and we have already done it. Second, we have to copy and paste the script to the app script editor. So here is the script. Close this. Okay, I will open it. Okay, here is the script. I'll do Control A, Control C to copy the script. Then I will open the app script editor this way. Then I will paste the whole code. If there was a code in the editor, you have to erase everything, then paste the new script. After you've done that, you have to save it. Next, we have to assign the launch planning script, which is a function, and we have to assign it to the launch planning button. So when we come back to the spreadsheet, here is the launch planning button. So we have to assign the launch planning script to it. To do that, you have to right click on the button, and you will see an icon appears there. You have to click on it, then choose the assign script option. Okay, so what we have to do is that you'll have to copy exactly the name of this function, because it's the function which will be run automatically when you click on that button. So launch planning, then you click OK. So next we'll go to the script editor, then we'll run the function create triggers. So let's go to the script editor, and you click on this icon to select the create triggers. It should be on top of the list. We select this, then we run the function. Okay, so to make sure these two triggers have been created, you can click on this, and you should see two triggers here. These two triggers, I have set it up for this spreadsheet. That's why you could see here the script already exists. So if the script has been set up, and if you try to set it up once again it won't be set up because it already exists. That's why you see this message. But for you, you won't see this message, but you will see it if you try to do it once again. So the two triggers have been set up, and those will handle specific functionalities also in the spreadsheet. Okay, so next thing. Okay, we're done with the steps. Now we'll come back to the spreadsheet to do the small demonstration. But before doing that, I have to share with you that while working on a specific functionality, namely this part, you say that in the requirement, then the user will have to click on the launch planning button, and upon doing this, a pop-up should tell the user which tasks have been selected for planning launch. If they confirm, then these things should be done. So while working on the confirmation part, unfortunately Google doesn't allow uh, us to present a pop-up for confirmation while running a script from a button. So I looked for it. I didn't find uh, a solution for that specific thing you wanted, but I found a workaround, and I will present it to you whether or not you like it. So the thing is that instead of uh, instead of uh, displaying that pop-up when the user click on the launch button, I instead uh, display the launch button when he check the file in the false column. So for instance, when he want to create a planning sheet for this task 1, he click on this, he will see this pop-up saying that the name of the task is task 1. Task 1 about to have a planning sheet created. Make sure you want to continue with this. So when the user wants to continue with this, he will click OK. That will mean that he knows that he wants to create a task of the name task 1. If he change his mind, he can uncheck it, no problem. So it's the same thing goes with every task. So for task 2, the same notification is also displayed. Task 2 about to have a planning sheet created. So that's the workaround that I found for that functionality. Okay, so you have to tell me whether it's acceptable or not. Okay, so for the demonstration purpose, I will select these two tasks, and you can notice that this field I left it blank on purpose to have an error message thrown. So what we should expect is that to is to have a new tab created called task 1, and also the linking of the cells, and also a coloring formatting here, a color formatting here. So I will run the script, and here is the error message. Please fill all the metadata before launching the planning, because this cell was blank, and we can see here that the link the sheet has been created, task 1, So the template sheet has been duplicated and named according to the task that has been created. This is the task. And also, what else? Here is the link. The link, when we click on it, it goes straight to the tab 1, the task 1 sheet. And also, okay, here also you can see the value of these cells. They have been transferred to the second row of the task 1 sheet. SA1, Algiers, XXX, etc. And also concerning columns from K to P, also we have values here, and these values are linked to these. For instance, when I change the color here, I will put red. We should expect here in the input dashboard, okay, this, we see that the health cell is linked to that, to this cell. I will change it to green, and we have also the change. So yeah, that means everything works properly regarding the linking of the cells. And another functionality is that when we delete, I will try to delete this tab. So I deleted it, and here we see that, sorry, okay, here we see that the tab has been deleted and the planning column has, the planning cell has turned red. There is no link, there is no link anymore. That means that also what you required in the step 4 is also properly done. And I think that's all. So what I will do lastly is that I will run several tasks like this, and all those tasks will do 3, 4, 5, then 6. Task 6. So what we should expect, I'll choose those. I choose these for the first 4, 5 tasks. Okay, actually it's 4 tasks, and I will run those. Okay, so as we can see, the sheets for these 4 tasks have been created, and we have their links: tab 1, tab 2, tab 3, and tab 4. And we have also the linkings and the task that has not been checked here, they have not been created. And when I delete the sheet task 4, also we should see that, okay, it turned also red, and all those sheets, all those tasks that has not been created, they also turn red, which is normal because they are filled, but they have no no tab created in the spreadsheet. Okay, so I think this demonstration shows that the app is working well. If you have some remarks, feel free to tell me so that I can continue working on those remarks. Thank you very much for watching the video.